In this last video for chapter 11, we're just going to explore water a little bit. And so, water is a very interesting substance because it is liquid at room temperature. Unlike most substances with the same weight, those are going to be gases. And this is due to hydrogen bonding. Water hydrogen bond with itself like crazy, and all the interesting properties of water is due to this hydrogen bonding nature. And so water is polar, so it's excellent at dissolving ionic and polar substances because water has a very large dipole moment. It is very polar. And even small nonpolar things like oxygen, carbon dioxide, do have some solubility in water as well. And this is very important. For example, fish, they need to breathe oxygen as well, so it's good that oxygen is still dissolved in water to very small amounts, even though oxygen is nonpolar. Water also has very high specific heat. It takes a lot of energy to vaporize water. It takes a lot of energy to raise the temperature of water. And this is very good if you live by like an ocean because that's going to keep the temperature around the ocean cooler because the ocean absorbs all that heat. And also water expands when it freezes. Right? It expands about 9% of its volume. So when water expands or when water freezes, you have the same number of molecules in a bigger volume. This makes ice less dense than water, so ice will float, and therefore ponds don't freeze over during the winter. And water also has an amazingly high boiling point, and we can look at other substances that a lot of other substances that have about the same weight as water and has all these hydrogens. And all of these substances don't have the hydrogen bonding ability of water, so they all have lower boiling points. In fact, they're all gases at room temperature. So it's the way water behaves the way it is because it can hydrogen bond with itself, and hydrogen bonding leads to the interesting property of water that we see. That's it for chapter 11. I'll see you in chapter 12.